Welcome to Elma, the manufacturer of ultrasonic cleaning devices and cleaning lines for industrial parts cleaning. Today I present you our new steamers which have been developed and designed for three target sectors. For the watch and jewellery branches, for cleaning metal bands of watches or for cleaning jewellery during production and service. We meet the demands and needs of our customers in terms of product quality and reliability. Our new steam cleaners provide a constant operating steam pressure and will be indispensable for our customers after a very short time. Therefore, we grant a warranty of 3 years on each Elmasteam 4.5, provided it is being operated correctly. See yourself. I would be pleased to welcome you here again and inform you about further innovations soon.